Hi, everyone. I hope you're all having a good week so far. Can't believe it's Friday again. So I hope you're all having a good week and all geared up for F1 weekend here in Singapore. And I'm actually taking this opportunity just to say thank you to all the viewers of this very young channel that I've created 3.5 weeks ago. And also, I just want to share with you if some of you are wondering, I've done 20 videos, 20 training videos, and I've never really had a chance to talk about why is the theme of my channel called Why Sustainable Business Telemarketing? Why sustainable business telemarketing? I started on the phone in the late 90s, and I'm an old school telemarketer. Let's start with that. And so the methodology, the etiquette, the the whole training experience that I had as a telemarketer back in the day was is really very valuable to me today. And over the last 2.5 decades, it has given me opportunities to keep, to be able to work in big hotel brands and for them to trust me to run and operate their programs. I believe that it comes down to the fact that we were trained by our mentors to do telemarketing the old school way, the right way, the passionate way, the fun way, the ethical way. And so for having that experience myself, I've been receiving a lot of telemarketing calls over the past years. And I realized, hang on a second, these people need to be trained. These people need to do it right. If they want sustainable telemarketing, they needed to do it right the way we did it. So that's basically the whole motivation why I set up a YouTube channel focus on sustainable business telemarketing. Let me just quickly break it down to you. These three very significant words that I put all together because they are all gonna come in one package if you would like to be successful in this industry. So of course, sustainable. If your sales team are doing right practices and ethical practices, it is sustainable. They can continue. They can carry on with the business that they're supposed to carry on for your company. But the moment they do the exact opposite, we know already that it's not sustainable because people would have a bitter taste of the people that you hired to do telemarketing for your business. And so sustainable, I can speak for that. I've been in this industry, like I said, 2.5 decades. How can you be sustainable if in this industry if you're not doing the ethical way, if you're not doing the disciplined way, if you're not doing the right way, but yet have fun and have a lot of fun with the whole process. So another reason why I feel like sustainable is an appropriate term to be before business telemarketing, or I might say, I have to say why I included sustainable with telemarketing instead of just saying telemarketing, is because telemarketing is not going anywhere. I've seen that here in Singapore alone, the job opportunities for telemarketing is growing and even spreading into so many different industries. Now I can go back to where I came from in the Philippines, and from my research, I've realized that there's thousands of at least 1,000 of call center in the whole Philippines. So it's not going anywhere. It's just gonna keep, telemarketing will continue to be the vehicle for businesses to work hand in hand with the goal they have for their businesses, whether it's in hospitality industry or perhaps in automobile industry, insurance, all these products that would require and would still require some form of telemarketing. So sustainability is number one for me. Doing the right thing, training your people the right way, getting your telemarketers to experience the way that they should be trained in order for them to execute a very sustainable telemarketing approach to your clients. Business, I picked the word business because I feel that the telemarketers have, in many ways and in many occasions, have a very off reputation. And it's simply because of telemarketers who've done it wrongly. The telemarketers who calls and harass the client, or calls the client and speaks so unprofessionally. And so why do I want my channel to focus on not just sustainability, but business style or business approach telemarketing? Because if you are in a business environment, for instance, you have a business meeting. Let's use that as a scenario. You speak with respect. You speak with professionalism, and that's the element that I would like to be part of the telemarketers that will be coming into my channel and getting the trainings that I experienced from my mentors. And I hope my mentors are watching me, because I've really learned from the best. I've learned from the best in terms of just developing the right methods, the right way of thinking, and just full of good stuff, or good methodology. Now, of course, sustainability, business like, business minded, business approach, and of course, telemarketing. I'm really excited about this channel. It's slowly growing. I think at this point, I have 1,400 views for a 3.5 week old channel. And that to me is a very good sign, because I'm really trying to grow my channel in a way that it would really reach out to a lot of businesses and say, look, we can do better. We can definitely improve the quality of telemarketing system, the training we provide them. And that's exactly what I do as well. I'm a freelance trainer in Singapore, and my goal is to really just be able to share my passion to telemarketers, whether you're selling, your customer service, your appointment setter. The list of types of telemarketers is very long at this point. And just to be able to really share my forte and how I was trained. And hopefully that would improve businesses, improve character, improve communication skills, and of course, the long list of transferable benefits of being a telemarketer and learning the skill of right, sustainable business telemarketing. So I just want to give you a little overview of why did I actually have that as a theme on my YouTube channel. So I thank you for everything. I will be posting a lot of training videos, and as this video started with telemarketing, it's going to branch out on so many different methods of selling as well, where telemarketing is still part of the whole process. If it's the beginning of your selling process, then we're going to carry on and talk about other tips on if you have to face the client after your telemarketing calls. And there's a lot of topics on my playlist. I look forward, I cannot wait to put those videos for you. But for now, just a little introduction of myself, my channel, my mission, and what this channel is all about. And if it's your first time to watch my channel, if you're looking for a channel that would give you enrichment program in terms of what you already know as a communicator, what you already know as a telemarketer, or if you're trying to figure out if telemarketing is for you, please check out my channel. You'll be able to see the format. Nothing so overproduced. My channel is very simple. I just have a beautiful Singapore backdrop behind me, like a very greenery, just to soothe everyone's you know, energy as we go through a lot of learnings about telemarketing in all industries. So I'll see you guys on some of the videos, and it's all coming up soon. Again, my name is Majoy Dasha. Thanks a lot for supporting the channel, and I hope you enjoy all the videos and all the materials I'm putting together for you. For now, have a good weekend. Bye.